Hello and welcome to Simon's Training Channel. My name's Simon and I am a floating head. Happy Monday to you. It's been a holiday in the UK and I don't know if it is in other parts of the world, but indeed, if you have had a holiday, I hope it's gone well for you and you've enjoyed yourself. Now, before I get straight into the price action, I just wanted to remind you this is not financial advice. Okay, so it is, after all, the 1st of April. So I think that warrants a quick look at the monthly closure, which reminds me I haven't started that on TradingView. And as you can see, it was pretty bullish. Not as bullish as this one, but pretty much bullish nonetheless. Rather early days to comment on next month, but so far that is red. All right, so there we go. That's all I'm going to say about that. What I would say is, compared to this, so this is just Bybit, right? It doesn't have the full history, but compared to when Bitcoin has been up in these regions before, that bullish monthly closure looks very different to here and here, where in the same price areas, this was a doji candle, which then led to a big rejection, and this was just a selling pressure candle, which led to more downside, and that was, I think there was regular bearish divergence present on the RSI, but I'm not going to check that now because it's historical. So this looks very different to this and this, and therefore you would think that continuation in whatever form that is likely to occur. So the monthly time frame is something that I don't often look at, but it's the first of the month. So there you go. March closed very bullish. Okay, so back down to the 4 hour. And yesterday I was talking about the bottom of this range coming in around 68.5, I think. Yeah, 68.5, something like that. And the top, it's 72 basically. So I might have said like 71.8, but it's basically 72 and 68.5, maybe just a little bit less than that. And I talked about a break either above and below, and you may be looking at this thinking, oh, Simon, it's broken below. But barely 1 4-hour closure so far. And yeah, this next candle will close in 40 minutes. So it could go bouding. And if it did get back down and close below 68,000 basically, that would be more convincing for a range break to downside and would likely to precede retest of this midline, which is 66,000, and closures below there. Well, that just takes Bitcoin back into this range, which has a bottom or a support area around 59,000. To be honest, I'm not convinced by this as a breakout. And so we'll see. Excuse me. Bitcoin will make its mind up one way or the other. But so far, I'm not convinced. Interestingly, though, it's right around the pivot cross below the zero line. And generally, when the MACD is below the zero line, then that is a momentum index that would suggest more downside, although sometimes it does just sort of hover below it, just like this. And this was just sideways price action, right? But it was just hovering below there. This was clear move up. This was clear move down. This was clear move up. And we'll see. I'm not going to say what I think is likely to occur because it doesn't matter what I think is likely to occur. You just got to do what the price action tells you in a logical Right, I've chosen a word that I'm unable to pronounce this evening. Methodical, that's the one. Or that's what I do, and it seems to work. So, yeah, right now, I've still got a bullish bias, and that will remain the case probably until Bitcoin starts to close below 66,000 on 4 hours and dailies. But even then, as long as it's below about 59,000, still bullish. But it just confirms this is another probably, I don't know, week or so of a range play, maybe 2 weeks. And maybe my thesis of how many weeks was it going sideways? 8 or something will come to fruition. I really hope it doesn't, but you never know. You never know in this game. I just had a slightly paranoid thought that I hadn't pressed play on the video and I was just going to have to do it all again. But it appears that I did, so that's jolly good. Right, what else have we got to say? No, I think that just about does it for today. We can check in on the 15-minute very quickly. Yeah. On the 15-minute, if Bitcoin starts to close back above 70,000, then this was a fake out breakout. Or, you know what I mean? It wasn't a proper range break attempt. So, yeah, see what happens there. 70,000 on the low time frames. Likely then to move back up to these highs at 72,000. A couple of 4-hour closures above there. Looks like it'll go for the all-time high. And then who knows what after that. Right, 7 minutes. I think I'll call it a day on that one. So do me a favour, if you've enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. If you hated the video, then don't come back tomorrow because I'll be doing it all again. Take care, enjoy the rest of your Monday, start of a new week. Let's hope it's a good one. Bye-bye.